Hey everyone, it's Angus here, and today I'm going to give you a full unboxing of the Canon EOS 200D. This is actually a recent model that was released in 2017 alongside the Canon 6D Mark II. It's also featuring a Digic 7 image processor, which is found on more modern DSLRs like the Canon 77D and the Canon 800D as well. It also has dual pixel AF as well, and it is claimed to be the lightest DSLR in the world, with a variable screen according to Canon, and which.co.uk have said it is the lightest Canon DSLR they have ever tested. So I'm really excited to start testing this and using it. I previously had the Nikon D5300, however I broke that, so this will now be my primary DSLR, and you will probably be seeing a lot more YouTube videos featuring this camera. Taking a look at the unboxing, the packaging is very simple. Starting with it, we have just some instructions and some manuals, pretty boring stuff, and then we also have a booklet as well, which I still haven't looked at and I probably won't. It's a very simple DSLR, and obviously using a Nikon DSLR for a while, I'm very familiar with DSLRs. We also have a battery, and then we have a power adapter, and then we also have a kit lens, which is a 18 to 55. This kit lens was released on February the 14th, 2017, alongside the Canon 77D and the Canon 800D. Here we have a battery adapter, and then we also have a strap as well. The kit lens was released alongside the Canon 77D and the Canon 800D. And here we actually have the main body, the Canon 200D. It has a 24.2 CMOS sensor and it's only 453 grams. Once I get the kit lens on, I can actually start the setup. First we have to put the battery in it, which is 1040 milliamps. So when you set it up, you will find that you are greeted with a 3-inch touchscreen, and it's also flip out as well, which would be really great for shooting films and also shooting in angles that you can't normally do with a non-flip out display. I found that when I was using the touchscreen, it was slightly awkward and I ended up having to use the buttons. Considering that I have never used a DSLR with a touchscreen, it will probably take a while for me to get used to. I've only had this DSLR for a couple of days, and I will be doing a full review of this DSLR as well. So once we select OK, the DSLR is actually ready to go. I found that the battery was low on power, but it was enough for me to have a go and also take off the lens cap and actually take a look at what it looks like normally. I'm really looking forward to using this, especially because of the dual pixel AF and the continuous focus. This easily has to be the selling point for me, because after doing so many years of videography, I find that having to focus can be a real deal breaker, because if you don't focus right, then it can completely ruin your video. And of course, with this focus technology in Canon that is also featured in more expensive DSLRs, I'll find that it'll be really convenient and useful when I'm doing a lot of videography, especially when I'm doing videos like filming myself. So there is my unboxing. I really do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to leave. If you did enjoy it, be sure to leave it with a thumbs up. And thanks very much for watching.